Alright, put him down and see if he'll climb. The little monkey. What do you got? Come get it. Come get him. Come get him. Show us how you get down. Come on, show us how you get down. No, that's not yours.
Get down. Get down. You're doing so sloppy right now.
Turn around. He's not even touching the ground yet. Yay, Aiden!
Aiden. Hey.
Say hi.
Your turn.
Go by the door and see if he'll walk to you, Joe. Walk to Daddy. Go get Daddy.
Hey.
Go get Daddy. No, get up and walk.
Stand up. Stand up right there. No, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. You got it? He's like running at me. Alright. One more time. One more time. Ready? Come on. You're doing it.
Oh, I tripped on a frog.
Saved you.
Bye, Aiden.
Say bye-bye. Say
Aiden.
bye-bye. We'll go outside.
Bye. Let me kisses?
More kisses. We'll go outside. Good. He said.
No.